Okay, so as you can see, I have opened the rack box and everything is removed from the box. So we have the side rails, the section rails, we have the bolts and hardware here for the side rails, and I believe the inner rails. There's two packages. Now, one thing I noticed, the rack box, as far as we are right now, there is no there's no legs for the rack. So I'm not sure if that is included in the package or it's not. Something I have to find out right now. Okay, so the corners are in. All pretty nicely aligned and tied up. As you can see, that's how the corner goes in there. So all now I need to do is wait for a response from Front Runner to let me know what's going on with the legs, the chipping of the legs. I thought they were in the same box with the rack, but they were not. I don't know what happened, whether they're coming in a separate box or they were missing from the original box of the rack. Okay, so the rack is on the car now, on the Defender. It's installed, all pieces in, completed. It took a little while between work and working on the Defender. It always takes time and not easy. But anyways, it's on the car now. I'm very happy with it. I added the safari rail in the back. So I was not thinking too much when I ordered a safari rack, and I feel that it's kind of short for what I was interested in or what I wanted. So it's about a quarter of the entire length, or just a little bit more than a quarter. I mean, it's almost a third, but not quite. I like the safari rack addition, but I think I went short without thinking about it too much. So, but it is what it is now, and it'll do the job for what I was looking for. So it's all good, very happy about it. And here's a ladder that I had shown on the previous video. So the rack supports are, you decide where you want to set them up. I didn't want to cover the Alpine window here with moving the support this way and covering the window. But anyways, so I tried to keep this one as far as I could. Also keeping in mind the integrity of the structural supports. Gotta make sure that you want to have good weight distribution on your rack according to where the supports are. So here is a top view of the rack. I have added a few anchoring points already that I will be using in the near future. I also added a solar panel here. This is kind of a temporary thing. It's a very small solar panel. It's about 25, it generates about 25 volts or 28, I can't remember. But anyways, it's a good thing to just to, when the sun is out, keep my battery charged. So it's all installed, it's working. I mean, the cable is here, and if I ever need to like hook it up to my battery, I just pass it on through my window here and connect it to the battery box down there. So it's only a test, and I just want to see how that works. But anyways, here's the top view, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as we are trying to grow this channel. Thank you for you guys viewing the video. Take care.